Hey there, everyone. Welcome to We Got This. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Your support means the world to us. If you're new around here, a warm welcome to you. If you've been with us for a while, I'm thrilled to have you back. We're all about creating a supportive community here. Today, I'm super excited to share a powerful technique that's going to revolutionize the way you handle stress. It's called progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR for short. This technique is a game changer. Before I dive in, could you do me a huge favor? If you find value in this video, please hit that like button, share it with someone who could use some stress relief, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, We Got This, to stay updated with all our latest content. Let's grow this wonderful community together. All right, let's get into it. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Progressive muscle relaxation is a technique that involves tensing and then relaxing different muscle groups in your body. It's super simple but incredibly effective at reducing stress and anxiety. Why? Because it directly combats the tension that stress builds up in our bodies, promoting a deep level of relaxation. This method helps you become more aware of your body and its responses. Here's how you can do it. Start by finding a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Make sure you're in a position where you can fully relax. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and focus on your feet to begin with. Deep breathing helps to center your mind and body. Tense the muscles in your feet as much as you can. Really squeeze them tight for about 5 seconds. Feel the tension build up. Then release all that tension and notice the sensation of relaxation. Feels good, right? This contrast between tension and relaxation is key. Next, move up to your legs. Tense the muscles, hold for 5 seconds, and then relax. Notice the difference in how your muscles feel. Repeat this process with each muscle group in your body: your stomach, chest, arms, and face. Each time, focus on the sensation of tension and then the relief. Remember, the key is to really feel the tension when you're holding and the relief when you release. This awareness helps you manage stress better. This process not only helps in reducing stress, but also improves your awareness of your body and helps in managing physical symptoms of stress like headaches or muscle aches. It's a holistic approach to relaxation. It's like giving yourself a mini massage. You'll feel the benefits almost immediately. Now, I know it might sound a bit too simple, but trust me, the effects can be profound. Simple practices often have the most significant impact. With regular practice, you'll find yourself feeling calmer, more centered, and ready to handle whatever life throws your way. Consistency is key. To wrap up, I invite you to practice this technique daily. Make it a part of your routine. It only takes a few minutes, but the benefits last much longer. You'll notice a significant improvement in your overall well-being. And remember, like any skill, it gets better with practice. The more you do it, the more effective it becomes. So keep at it and let me know in the comments how it's going for you, or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about stress relief. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps you on your journey to a stress-free life. We're all in this together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Your support helps us grow and reach more people. Take care, stay relaxed, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Remember, you've got this. We got this. Until next time, keep practicing and stay stress-free. Bye for now.